Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to fix eSIM not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure that your iPhone is updated to the latest version of the iOS by going to the settings and select General and tap Software Update. Next, go to the settings and select Cellular and check if the eSIM plan is active. If it's missing, re-add it using the QR code or activation code from your carrier. If it still doesn't work, try turning airplane mode on or off or restart your iPhone. You can also reset network settings by going to Settings, select General, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone and click Reset and select Reset Network Settings. And that's it. Your eSIM should now start working properly on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.